Hello, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Ian Green and I'm the musician for Music Dreams and also for Ian J. Green, two different artist profiles you can find wherever you stream your music. And today we're going to be looking at an interesting topic called compound time. Let's go over to the material that I've scanned from this wonderful book that I purchased called Elementary Music Rudiments, the Intermediate Level. This can be found and written by Mark Sarnecki, and the topic that I'm speaking on, which is called Unit 10, Part 1, can be found on page 53. Now, traditionally in music, we have simple time, which would equal groupings of 2, 3, or 4 beats per bar, such as 2/4, 3/4, or 4/4. There are also others as well, but just for simplicity, we'll use these ones. And of course, the top number equals the number of beats in the bar, and the bottom number equals the type of beat note that gets the beat, in this case, the quarter note. So this would be called simple time. And traditionally, we have a strong beat and then weak beats or medium weak beats within measures of music in these time signatures. 2/4 would sound like this: 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, with an emphasis on the first beat. 3/4 time would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4/4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, with an emphasis on beats 1 and 3. Beat 1 being a strong beat, and beat 3 being a medium beat. Now, something that's interesting with compound time is organized into groups of 3, and there are multiple different types of compound time, and we'll go through each of those together in more of an overview. Then we'll go into specific questions on how to answer these types of theory questions in another tutorial. Compound duple time basically means 2 groups of 3. So you have 2 main sections to each bar, or subdivided groups, but also each group is organized into groups of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So in a 6/8, 6/4, or 6/16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 2 groups of 3 with an emphasis on the first beat and also on the fourth beat. Something that's interesting as well with compound time is that sometimes composers can write a piece in a very fast tempo. So jigs are examples of that from the Baroque period, where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 really quickly and conducting it and getting all confused, sometimes conductors and musicians count in 2 in 6/8 or compound duple time, because you have 2 groups of 3, but because the tempo is so fast, it's easier to count like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's sometimes an aspect of simplicity more than anything else. In compound triple time, it's the same principle, except now instead of 2 groups of 3, we have 3 groups of 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, of course. So what we can do is say that we have a main pulse on the first beat of the bar, but then we have a secondary pulse on beats 4 and also beat 7. That's kind of fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as well, we can have 9/4, 9/8, and 9/16. When we have compound quadruple time, it's the same principle again, except 3 times 4, of course. 3 beats in each group and 4 beats per bar, quadruple. We have 12 individual beats, but 4 subdivisions of groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when we think about these types of note values, and also the number of beats in each measure, the same principle is applied here, except that now the new thing is that compound time equals different iterations of groups of 3. And it's just knowing which group of 3 we have to use. But it's easy to figure that out because if you know what the top number is, you can divide that by 3 to get the common number of sections or segments of beats in the bar. So if you have 9/8, you divide 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So you know you have 3 groups of 3. 6/8 would be 6 divided by 3, which is 2 groups of 3. And of course, mathematically speaking, 12 divided by 3 is 4 groups of 3. So I hope that this information is helpful as a beginning explanation of compound time. And I look forward to working on some exercises in another tutorial. And I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now, and take care.